1969 Mach 1. Still has original paint. No rust, no Bondo. It's got some small scratches and very, very minor dents. A couple on the roof here. Nothing bad. Two-owner car, Southern California. Always been garaged. All original sheet metal, front to back. Aftermarket wheels, front and back. The original wheels come with the car also, that right here. Matching numbers, drivetrain front to back, aluminum radiator, Flowmaster mufflers that are new, Edelbrock aluminum intake, new Holley carburetor, not sure the part number on the carburetor. Runs and drives real good. The only rust on the entire car, it's got the original fender aprons. There's your date code. 1031 on that fender, same date on this fender, 1031. Power disc brakes, power steering. The only rust on the entire car, which is real common even in your California cars, where the metal's doubled up here, right here. This part's good, and same thing on this side, which is easy to fix. And a little bit right there. Besides that, floor pans and stuff are perfect on this. Still has original windshield, fold down back seat, new upholstery on the front seats. $61,000 original miles. Needs a headliner. Still has original dash pad, which you almost never see. The car's always been garaged. Fold down back seat, needs a new carpet kit. It's got the original carpet from 1969. New carpet on the rest of the car. There's the door tag. Okay, that's okay, yeah. Underneath looks real good. Never been wrecked.
No.
Yeah, power steering.
I'm telling you, never wrecked.
Yeah.
That
Little tiny things
imperfections?
and stuff here and there, but not bad.
It's not a show car, but you have.
No, it's a nice car.
Not a show car, but it's a nice car.
Can you start it up for me?
Of course.
Aftermarket aluminum radiator, electric fan. A couple holes on the shock tower on this side. Engine sounds good.
Oh, it runs good too.
Yeah.
You want to go right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
No smoke, that's good. The engine's never been rebuilt, but the valve seals and the rear main seal was replaced. Yeah, ride's nice.
Very nice. Everything works.
Except the clock, they're always broken. The clocks never work.
I never looked over there, to be honest with you. It stops straight.
Trans feels good.
Yeah. Power steering's nice.
You said you have a new hose for the power steering?
I do.
Okay.
Actually, I
that's
have.
Molly.